How on earth do we feng shui this stay-at-home order? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Amanda Gates, and I've been getting flooded with all kinds of emails from various audience members and fans, basically experiencing extreme cabin fever, right? So many of you, especially if you are in school or if you're a teacher, most of March you've been ordered to stay home or maybe work from home. And if you've already been doing this for a month, yeah, you're probably going to be going stir crazy. And what I've been finding is that because we're at home, our routines are severely screwed up. I'm noticing that a lot of people are putting up on social media that they're sleeping in late, they're staying up late, they're missing classes that are online, their homes are disheveled, and things are just out of order. So I wanted to come on here and just offer some tips as far as energy goes and some things that would be highly valuable to just help keep your life as straight as possible, and most importantly, your energy. I think a lot of people are frenetic because there's a lot of chaos and uncertainty going on, and so what does that mean? What is the bigger picture here? And so it can be really scary not knowing when this order is going to be lifted, especially as more information is coming out that we've got, more cases of the COVID-19 virus that is coming out. Like here in Nashville, our numbers are still increasing. And so they keep increasing our stay-at-home order where we think we have just 7 more days. And then it gets, extended. So most importantly, create structure. You really want to get up at the same time, go to bed at the same time, and act as if you are leaving the home every day. Even though you may not, it's still really important to have that order. Number 2, make sure your home is in order. Make sure it's tidy, keep things picked up, and have designated areas. If you've got that structure in place, then if you are studying at home, perhaps you're watching videos of your teachers and doing school from home, have a designated area for that. Whether it's an actual room or an actual space that you've set up, it literally acts as if you are going to school. So it becomes a portal of sorts. Energetically, when you enter into that space, you are now going to work. Same thing for teachers. It can be, really hard and exhausting, both for teachers and students who are on technology all day trying to teach and connect with their students. It's different than connecting in person, especially if you're an introvert. I know myself that when I have a day in my business where I'm on technology, let's say I have 2, 3, 4 Zoom calls, looking at the computer for that extended amount of time absolutely exhausts me. It drains the heck out of me. In fact, by the end of the day, I'm often saying, why am I so tired? And I forget how much that technology drains me. So if you're like that and, it's wiping you out, be sure, again, go back to that structure and try to set up like 90-minute increments or 2-hour increments to where you're getting up, you're moving your body, maybe you're getting a glass of water, a cup of tea, going outside, whatever works for you. Get your chi moving. Maybe you do a little bit of yoga in between, do a couple of asanas, whatever it is, but you got to keep your chi circulating so that you stay healthy and vibrant. And again, if your house is in order, then your life isn't going to feel so chaotic and disrupted. And the other thing is that I'm noticing that a lot of students are doing their homework and such in their bedrooms, which means they're spending all day, all night inside their bedrooms. So put that structure in place where they have a designated area to go to school or to watch TV so that they're circulating around and they're moving. This is really important for feng shui because when you start to do the same thing in the same place, you start to kink that energy. It starts to bend and it tweaks the chi, and then all of a sudden that's where you start to get those emotions, what I call below the cross emotions. You're frustrated, you're disappointed, you're angry, you start lashing out. So that's why you want to keep the chi flowing. Keep things in order, place structure. You know, really set up, you know, your day as if you were going out of the house. And, you know, if typically you have the weekends off, then take the weekends off. But make sure that you move around the house. Circulate the chi throughout the house. If you're spending all day in your bedroom, that means the rest of the house isn't seeing you. Make sure you open up that front door. Get that chi coming in and circulating and touching all areas of your life. And if you're working from home, this is just as valuable information. Set up that structure. You know, get up and move around. Circulate your chi. Circulate the chi throughout your home. Tidy up and utilize that front door. Make sure you clean it up, open it up, and get that chi flowing. All right, everyone, I hope this helps. I'm hoping that these quick tips and tricks to, you know, just infiltrate your house with some feng shui principles, get that energy flowing, and make you feel a little bit better. We're all in this together. We can do this and we can feel good. So make sure you stay as positive as possible and keep your spirits lifted because it matters. All right, everyone, my name is Amanda Gates. You can find out more information about me at gatesinteriordesign.com. I also have a fantastic podcast, Home Energy Design, that you can find on iTunes and Stitcher. And hey, don't forget, trust the vibe because that energy never lies.